MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
I'm back in Milton Keynes today at North Bucks Machining. I came here in June this year. We were looking at the Quasar machine that had just been installed. I'm back here today to look at this bike. Now, this is a project that the guys here have been working on for some time. This is a rather tasty looking bike. I'm going to talk with Stuart. Stuart, how you doing, all right?
Hiya, welcome back.
Thank you very much. Tell us about this bike, Stuart. This is a project that you've been living and breathing for some time, I believe.
Most definitely, yes. We set out to showcase what we could do with regards to machine capability in a medium of a sport that I enjoy to do myself.
And you've done everything here from designing to manufacturing, correct?
Yes, that's correct, yeah.
And what's your aim?
Our aim is to get this into the public domain and get someone to ride it, yeah.
And what makes it different, and how would it get into the public domain? Why would someone buy it?
Well, as you can see, it's aesthetically quite far different to anything else that's out there at the minute. It's machined from solid billet, so there's no weld and fabrication, hopefully making it a lot stronger than its competitors.
And I think by looking at it, one of the key points to get across here is we're talking about, call it the body of the bike here that you're manufacturing and machining. The wheels and the seats and the handlebars, etc. They are from other sources, correct?
That's correct, yeah. What we're aiming to do is market the three-piece frame and then customise to the customer's requirements the rest of the bike.
Okay, now surface finish, a massive factor. This has got to look good. How do you achieve that?
We use Hypermill by Open Minds. Everything we programmed has been optimised and scrutinised for the machine to output the best possible cutter path for the situation.
And you couldn't do that without CAD/CAM software, could you?
No, not at all, not at all.
So the Hypermill is great for giving you that surface finish. Is there any other areas that the Hypermill assists you? I mean, what about the programming time of something like this?
The programming time is quite extensive because we have scrutinised and honed in all of the cycles and all of the features to give what comes off the machine to be the finished product to the customer. So every surface is a Class A surface where it's the best of our ability and the best we can output from Open Minds.
I was going to say, it does look very nice, but you can't be making these every day of the week. You must be doing other machining within the company here. Are you using the Hypermill software to assist you in those areas as well?
We are definitely. The ethic and the surface finish and the final look of this product is replicated throughout everything we produce.
And I mean, we go into hundreds of companies and they spend millions of pounds on machine tools, and sometimes they don't have CAD/CAM. And we say to them, do you not need it? And no, we don't need CAD/CAM, we might program up the control. Would you completely disagree with that?
I do completely disagree. I think CAD/CAM opens up a whole world of possibilities, optimises your machine tool, removes a lot of human error, and the finished product is by far, especially where 3D machining is concerned, by far a better product at the end of the day.
And one important factor you mentioned there, reliability. I mean, you can put a part on a machine and know it's going to come off without having any errors on it, essentially.
Definitely. With the simulation software on Open Minds, I've got the peace of mind to be able to press a button, do lights out machining, very close contact with holders and shanks of cutters. It just takes away human error.
And with this, where can we see it next?
You see it on the Open Mind stand at the Mac show.
Brilliant. That's Mac 2016. I wish you every success with this, Stuart. I'm sure it will be a success. It looks a great bike. So I suppose what we're looking at today is how to get the best out of your machine tool. And if you're not a user of CAD/CAM solutions, something like Open Mind might just do for you what it's done for the guys here at North Bucks Machining. It's improved production, it's given them security when they're machining and reliability, and given them a fantastic end product, something just like this.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.